Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Skye from Paw Patrol super easy and fun. Are you ready? Let's start drawing. First, I start with her lovely eyes and her cute little nose. If you're enjoying this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to support us. Thank you so much. Now, I draw her smiling mouth. She looks so happy, doesn't she? Next, I draw her face. Skye is wearing a cool mask. Let's draw her hair and a pretty crown on top. Now, I draw her body and her outfit. In this video, Skye's clothes are really beautiful. Let's draw her for legs, two in the front and two in the back. And finally, don't forget her fluffy tail. Alright, now, I'm going to use this black marker to make the drawing clearer and easier to see. It's time to color. Let's go. First, I use light pink to color this part. Next, I color her hair, her face, and her tail using brown. Oh, don't forget to color her eyes brown too. Then, I use red. And finally, I add a bit of gray. Great job, everyone! You did amazing! If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more fun drawing videos. See you in the next video. Goodbye!